Hi guys, how you doing? Just take a second, enjoy the music, enjoy Baby Echo. All right, and just think, it's foundations time. What does that mean to you? What kind of things you're gonna have to do? You're gonna have to watch what I'm saying, listen to what I'm saying. You might have to do some writing, maybe some skywriting, and some reading, and some thinking. There's a lot you have to do at this time, so take all those other worries away and try to focus. You and me, we got this. Okay, let's start with our warm up. Here we go. E, ed, e. K, k. O, octopus, ah. Q, u, qu. V, v. W, w. X, x. Y, y. And let's do some digraphs. CH, ch. TH. And there's also the noisy one. V. CK, k. Great job. And you know what? I think it's a good day to sing. Check it out. Let's sing our vowels together. I hope it doesn't fall on me. Okay, here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, eh. Do it with me. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Nice job with those vowels. And it's nice to sing them because when we're writing, we really want to stretch words out to help us hear which vowel is in the words, to help us with our spelling. Okay, so today we have a word of the day. Get ready to read it. What letter does it start with? D, the drum comes first. And I've got a vowel, and I've got a digraph, and I've even got a suffix S on the end. Let's read the base word. D-uck, duck, ducks. What are you picturing in your head when you hear this word, ducks? What are you picturing? Maybe a whole bunch of ducks in the pond? Okay, anything else? Oh, so it could be plural, more than one duck, or it could also be someone who's ducking, like he ducks when he walks under the tunnel. Cool. So I'm going to go ahead and underline the digraph, underline the base word, and circle the suffix s, ducks. And I need a sentence to go with this. Should we go with the plural or the action? Okay, we can go with the plural. How about I see ducks in the pond? I see ducks in the pond. And you know what I learned this summer? I learned that you should not feed the ducks bread because it just fills them, it makes them feel full, but it doesn't have any nutrition in it, so it's not good for them. It makes the ducks sick. So I had looked up what kind of things can you feed ducks. Just an FYI if you like to feed ducks. All right, since this is our word of the day, we need to add it into our student notebooks. So go ahead and get your student notebook out. And we put these in the vocabulary part, these lined pages. What letter are we looking for? D, 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 D. And you'll write ducks and mark it, and then you'll write the sentence below. So let me hold this up for you to work on ducks. I see ducks in the pond. Okay, and you should pause to give yourself time to finish writing that. And if you're back, it means you are ready for us to learn some trick words. Come on over to our trick word station. Okay, so my friends, let me go ahead and tell you a sentence. It's going to help you read a new trick word. Repeat after me. Where is Tom? Let's count our words. Where is Tom? 3 words. So we need to start with the uppercase letter, just like in our sentence frame. Where, and then we put a space between our words, is, and Tom is a person's name, so that one's going to be an uppercase too. And then we need the tall punctuation mark. Okay, so watch. I'm going to start with my uppercase, right? Ooh, I need a better marker. Okay, check it out. Where is Tom? With my question mark at the end. And I'm going to circle the trick word. I want you to help me figure out this word right here that I circled. Does anyone know what it says? Where is Tom? Yeah, this word says where. And it's a WH word, right? Why do you think it's spelled with a WH? Because it's a question word. Remember we learned some question words last week that also start with WH? Like what and when. They're WH question words. And that's why we have our question mark at the end. Where is Tom? Okay, now take a look. I'm going to change the sentence a little bit. Now I'm going to answer the question. I'm going to say, Tom is there. So I still have 3 words, but this time I don't need my question mark. I just need a period. So capital T for Tom is there. Do you see him? He's there. And I'm going to circle this word this time. Tom is there. What does this word say? Yeah, it says there. That's our other trick word. So far today we've learned W-H-E-R-E, where, and then we've learned T-H-E-R-E, there. They go together because it kind of answers the question. Where is Tom? There he is. Tom is there. Okay, and I'm going to change it one more time. And I'm just going to change out this word. And let me read you the sentence now and see if you can tell me what this word says. Tom is here. What does the new circle trick word say? Here. Okay, so when you look at these 3 trick words, where, there, here, why do you think they go together? Yeah, they all have which parts the same? E-R-E, where, there. Those words rhyme. Where, there, here. Here doesn't really sound the same at the end, but it's spelt the same, E-R-E. So if you can remember that these ones go together, it's going to help you with their spelling. Speaking of spelling, it's time for us to skywrite and add to our notebooks. Okay, let's start with where. Stand up and let's get our arms out, our pencil tips sharpened, and let's picture red shooting out and picture this word. The WH, the W, because it's a question word, isn't tricky. You just have to remember it's WH. Air. This is kind of the tricky part. But the R isn't tricky, but the vowels are. Let's spell it. W-H-E-R-E. Where. And now let's write it with our eyes closed on our desktop. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Okay, let's go to the next one. There. It's the noisy TH. T-H-E-R-E. There. And now with our eyes closed, T-H-E-R-E. There. Nice job. And let's do our last one. What does this one say? Here. Come on, make sure you're up and standing with me. You've got a nice straight arm to write it in the sky. Sky writing. Here we go. H-E-R-E. H-E-R-E, here. Now let's write it on the table with our finger, not with a pen. H-E-R-E, here. Where, there, here. You say it. Fantastic job. These are very important trick words that sometimes can trick people up. Let's put them in your notebooks so that you always have a place to look. Go to the trick word section, and first let's find the W, right? We have all these WH words. Who, what, when. Now let's add where. W-H-E-R-E. It's even got the word here inside of it. Where are you? I'm here. Pause until you have that copied down. Okay, now we need to enter there. That's TH, the noisy one that makes my tongue tickle. So find the T's and add there. T-H-E-R-E. This has the word here in it too. There she is. Here she is. There tells us about location, a place. T-H-E-R-E. Pause until you're all set with there, and we'll add our last trick word, here. Find the H. H-E-R-E. Here. Okay. Once you have all of those words entered, read them for me one more time. What do they say? Where, there, here. Nice job. Put away all your materials, and you're done for today. See you next time.